right, wow. So remember that guy that remember the guy that you just saw riding with me on the tricycle? Actually, I ran into him like 3 years ago. I met him here in the Philippines. Up from a brief nap, and I think now it's time for a drone mission. Let's see what's going on here. My last drone, FYI, my last drone was lost here in the Philippines, actually, in Zamboanga. Yeah, all these little houses here. No one is completely empty, completely. So just imagine that coming out, and you can rent one of these out for like $4 for the day. Look at that, and it goes down as $4. So they probably have about eight of these, I think. I always tell people it's not about the destination, but it's about the journey. The journey of getting there. If you're that bird and you want to fly, you gotta jump off that tree limb. Or you want to get to another country, you gotta jump on that plane. Whatever it is, man, you just gotta do it. Peanut butter and banana pancakes.